Alright, so I just thought I'd make a little vid and show you guys what I've been working on in Logic Pro. Working on some guitar tones, because I'm going to get ready to record some of my new songs. So, first thing we got going is this pedal board. It's built into Logic Pro. They got a lot of stuff over here on the right, a lot of different pedals for a lot of different effects. I tried some of the overdrives. I didn't try the phasers or any of those type effects. The overdrives weren't that great, but I decided to use this graphic EQ to tighten things up a bit. It works pretty well. Next thing is this Ignite Amps Tyrant Screamer, pretty much a tube screamer. Kind of played around with that a little bit, definitely adds it in front of the amp. It sounds pretty good. Turned on the drive a little bit and the level a little bit, but otherwise it's pretty killer. For the amp sim, I'm using the Ignite Amps Emissary, which is absolutely killer. When I loaded it up, you can see pretty much everything set at 12 o'clock, and I didn't really have to change anything other than I turned up the treble just a slight bit, and sounds great the way it is. Also from Ignite Amps is their Nadir cab sim. So this is new, they just updated this. It kind of has a different looking interface, but these are the 6 sims that they give you built in. I panned them left and right using 2 different ones. So this is a 4x12 vintage 30 with an MD421W set on center. And then on the right one, I have the same cab with the same mic, but set on center. On 45 degrees. So kind of gives it a full range tonal quality with the mics kind of set up a little bit different, but the same cab, sim, and mic. So it sounds pretty killer. And then finally needed the noise gate. So this is just built into Logic Pro. It's their noise gate. So this is how it sounds here. So that sounds pretty killer, really tight. So you can kind of tell a difference here if I turn off the graphic EQ and the Tyrant Screamer. So it sounds a little bit more dry, and it definitely sounds like hooked up to a cab. But, you know, when you add in this Tyrant Screamer and the graphic EQ, everything just kind of bursts out really tight. Very nice.